Hello, Jeff the Mix Man. We're in our salon here. Let's see what we can do. They said this dryer needs to be put back together. I don't understand how it got like that in the first place, but let's see what's going on. I mean, don't you just slide it back on there? I mean, like self-explanatory crap in there. Let's see. Dang, that was close. There's a spring and a little latch. It's supposed to latch onto this thing, but watch this. So I'm gonna do this. Oh, now I did it too far. Alright, so go that way. Up. What is that? Why doesn't it catch? It's so stupid. I think what they're asking me to do is almost impossible. So that's just gonna go on the other side. Oh my gosh. Things I gotta do, man. Look at this. Ridiculous. See if we can causes the metal gun. Come on, get on there. Let's see. And this one, I think the plastic piece is broken. See, there's no plastic piece in there, but it's acting just like that one now. I mean, looks like it's fixed. As long as they don't jam down on it like that. I mean, good lord. Here you go, Miss. Bam! On the head. Yeah. I don't know if I like it. Oh, shoot. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna have to tell him. Probably need to get a new one. Yeah, okay, here you go. I mean, let's give it a shot, shall we? Oh yeah. Pedicure, manicure, all that good stuff. Yeah. Oh look, an elephant's on the wall. Yeah, I think we got it. Got it good. I mean, turn me on. Let's see. I'm gonna turn me on here. Medium will work. Well, how do you turn it on? Alright, there we go. 40 minutes of this, we should be baking. Seems pretty sturdy. I mean, but man, nah, yeah, it's getting hot. I don't want to prime today. So. All right. I guess that's how you fix a hair dryer. I mean, whatever. Jeff the maintenance man, y'all have a great day.